welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with you reviewing this product. So this is, I don't know whether you've seen it online, I think it's quite new, I'm not too sure, is the Remmington Electric Detangling Brush. Now I got this from Argos, it was $14.99, and yeah, so we're just going to try it out. I've just got out of the shower, my hair's wet. No. Is it going to need batteries? Please tell me it doesn't need batteries. Oh my god, it's got batteries with it. Right, so got the batteries. Shut up, you need a screwdriver. You can see them all moving. Are we ready? I need to complete it. Oh, it feels nice. I mean, it's stuck, but it's coming. Oh, my ear. Oh, that hurt. I honestly don't see the point of this. I just don't know. I just don't know if this is actually worth the money. So the other day I did a review for this Remmington, oh well, I filmed a review for this Remmington thing, and I had mostly dry hair, and I just feel like it didn't work that well. So then a couple of days ago I then used it with wet hair and it worked a lot better. So now I'm going to show you how it works with wet hair, because I feel like I haven't given it a proper review, because by the end of my last review I was like, you know what, it's a waste of money, this product, whereas actually since using it with wet hair I think it's really good. Right, so I'm going to start brushing. It just goes through. Much easier than an actual hairbrush. Like, honest to God. I love it. Like, let me try. Like, this brush keeps on getting stuck. Ow! So it might not even be that pointless after all. And like, it doesn't take that many hairs out with it either. It really gets all the knots out. So, my first review wasn't that good, but now I absolutely love it. Like, probably the best £15 I've ever spent. Because it doesn't hurt like normally, my eyes are watering. Because of this stupid brush, this big paddle. So now I can go through it with the paddle brush, which is finer teeth. And it doesn't hurt as much. Perfect. Although I'm not too keen on brushing my hair when it's wet. But anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you soon for another one. Bye guys.